Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I was just sitting down to work on organizing and maybe combining my B6 Traveler's notebooks. This is the one that I'm currently using. I have a lot of Isis Ella Jewels products in here, so I have their weekly planner. I have the grid notebook, and then I have just some inexpensive, I think these are Pen and Gear B6 size composition notebooks. This is a cover that I made to cover a green version of this with the poly cover. So I'll link to the video showing how I made this cover. But this again is a composition style B6 notebook. And that's pretty much all that's in here. I wanted to use this as a moon journal, as kind of like a reference, just me learning about different things. This month is the strawberry moon, which is on the 14th. It's the full moon. I haven't done anything other than print out this sheet here that I got from Time and Date online. And so it has, the circles are all the holidays, and then underneath each month it has the different moon phases and the dates for those. Then I went in and I found a list of the different moons throughout the year, and I just wrote next to each month what each moon is. But I would like to do a specific page in a journal for each one of those moons if I can. This pen is from Isis Ella Jewels, and I'm trying to keep that in here, as well as this pen that was sent to me in Happy Mail. So I have all 4 elastics full in this Traveler's notebook, and both of these are from MLG & Co. So if you want to check them out, you can. This one is a very different leather for me, so I still want to keep giving it a chance. I'm thinking of turning this one into a ring planner to show you how to do it, because the spine is smaller on this one. As you can see, it's a little bit smaller, so I think I can stuff this one a little bit more. But what I have in here, I was using this last year, I think, as a PR planner. I have, again, a lot of Isis Ella Jewels things in here. I was playing around with using a notebook with tip-ins. I have the 2021 weekly planner and journal challenge in here. So I think this was a Walmart notebook. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it was a Walmart notebook that I cut down. The notebooks for their Traveler's notebooks are a little bit wider than B6 size, so I chopped off the edge and made it B6 size. So these are just some of the things that I did in here. Again, this was kind of in preparation for me using the Stalogy. I was kind of using this as I would a B6 Stalogy and playing around with different types of spreads. Some weeks I used it, some weeks I didn't. But you can find the videos for this on my channel. I'll put the Plan With Me playlist in the iCard up above. Why is this stuck? Ooh. I don't know why that was stuck together. But yeah. So I used a good amount of this journal, because these Walmart journals do have quite a few pages in them. But the way that I use this, I think I want to do something similar. I really like what I did here. So I really want to do something similar in the moon journal. And maybe it may end up being even more. I don't know. So yeah, then I made that out of washi tape. Let's see, and then I made this folder. It's a folder here, it has a pocket here. Am I showing you all? Then on this side, it has an envelope to put things in. I have a video showing how to make that. I'll link in the iCard up above. And then this is just a listing insert. And I think this cover is also from Isis Ella Jewels, I believe. Okay, the purpose of this video, which I should have mentioned in the beginning, was to show how to add another notebook if your Traveler's notebook, if all the bands are already used. I had a question about this in the comments recently, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Basically, all you need is some elastic, similar to what's in your notebook, or if you want it to be different, you can use different. I have this gold elastic that I got on clearance, I think from a hair store actually. I have this one that I'm pretty sure I got from Joann or some type of fabric store. It does not say what millimeter the width of this elastic is, and this one doesn't say either, but the gold I think is a little bit bigger than the white. The white is small compared to what's already on this traveler's notebook, and I think 4 mil is pretty much the standard. That is what this is. I purchased this from Amazon. So I have a roll of white and I have a roll of black. Then I also purchased this from Amazon, which is a kit of a variety of different colors. Again, this one is 4 mil. So I think 4 mil width is the width you would want to go with for elastics. And this multicolor kit is fairly inexpensive on Amazon. I will link to it in the description box below, as well as the spools. Okay. So I don't have any cream colored elastic, which is what this is. I don't think there's any in here. No. So I'm just going to use white. So I'm going to get 2 lengths of the white. And I'm going to cut that. Okay. So then, again, I've already used all the strings that were available in here. So if I want to add something else, I'll have to do what is called a jump band. So I'm going to add my folder here. Let's take this off. I don't think I need that. And let's add this notebook, the listing notebook. And actually this notebook isn't put together. I just fold it and put it inside of the clear cover. So we're going to use those two to do the demonstration. Let's go. Okay. So basically I'm just going to take the piece that I cut and tie a knot in it. If you want to give yourself some wiggle room, you can cut your elastic a little bit longer than what you need. But I think we're good here. Okay. So then you have an elastic band like so. All you do is find the center of one of your inserts or notebooks, whatever you're using. Wrap the band around it like that. Okay. Then you take the other one and you slide it into the band on the center. So if this was a notebook, I would open it to the center, find the center, and slide that on. So then you have 2 inserts of sorts, whatever you're using, on the band. Once you've done that, you can wrap this around any insert you want. So for instance, let's use this one. I'm just going to slide, pulling up the elastic here, I'm just going to slide this under there and wrap it around and kind of situate everything. Okay, so let's see what we've got. You see, you got your folder here, and you could still even come back and add something on this elastic. And then we have the original insert that we wrapped around. Then we have the listing insert on the other side. So basically we have 3 different types of inserts on one elastic. I don't even know how to show that. Here we go. So this is the original elastic, which is holding the black composition book. Then these 2 are wrapped around. So I hope that makes sense and you can kind of get a feel for how it works. Let me take this off and show you again. So I have one insert on one side of the jump band that I just made, and then I have this folder, which is considered an insert, on the other side. I just slid that underneath this notebook. And now I have a whole collection of different types of inserts on one band. So I hope that was helpful and that it made sense. If you have any questions about that, let me know in the comments below. Again, I will link to the elastics in the description box below. So if you're new to Traveler's Notebooks, I hope you found that helpful. I realize a lot of people already know how to do that, but there's always new people coming every day. So yeah, I hope you found it helpful. And if you like this video, you might be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.